Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. First up, I want to say thank you if you're new to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. The first Copart walk around with Sir Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds was amazing. I am up in subscriptions. It's one of my top rated videos, so thank you very much for that. Here is what happened when we continued with the shooting. So we're going to call this Copart Walk Around with Randy and Lola, Part 2. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Okay, we're here in front of this Ford Explorer, and Randy's doing what he does best right now. He's building it up, okay? What the deal is, this is hilarious. You find a good car, it's a gorgeous car, it looks great, there's no problems with it. Why is it salvaged? What's going on? Here, let me show you, okay? We're gonna come around here, we're gonna get his reaction when he shows you this car. This is what I like best about him, okay? He can sell these videos. Let's listen.
Yeah, look, like there's okay. I did miss the back bumper. Obviously, it needs a bumper. Aside from that, this thing is perfect. This thing is perfect. You can get a bumper for.
Here it comes.
Oh.
Here it comes. Here it comes. This is the reaction.
Oh, you saw this and didn't even say anything to me.
You were building up to it, so
I'm seriously making a video telling people how great this car is, and he's over here laughing. Yeah, that's funny. That's funny right there. Oh.
Yeah,
wow.
this isn't major.
No. Oh man. That's
Yep.
those 3 in the morning Copart
There you
walk
go.
around list for you.
There's nothing wrong with this car.
Yeah.
I should buy it.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's what he does, and that's really, really cool. That is really good. Finds a car, he's gonna show it to you, and kaboom. There's how you sell it right there. Good stuff. It's raining Mercedes today. What was that? That was like a bug. What? What has happened? What has not happened to us today
It's
out
you.
here
Nothing's
today?
happened to me.
I don't know what the deal is. Spiders and bugs and wasps and dragonflies and some kind of a flying tank bug that went over my head before. But anyway, we're out here with Randy. He's letting me kind of follow along on his Copart walk around. He's been doing these for so long, and because of him, I have a channel. So I like to come out here and help him. But look what he's shown me today. Look at that right there. What do you think? Do you like? Do you like? Do you like? I don't like those. But that's okay. You can take those off, right? This is a good indicator, but we're not going to say what it indicates, right?
You know,
Okay.
Maybe if there was tread on the tire, it would look better. Like you look at the back one, I think the back one looks all right.
Yeah.
But the front one, there's nothing left. It's bald, so it looks bad.
Yeah.
Real bad.
They never tried to rotate those tires. But you called it with the air freshener,
Yeah.
right? What did you say about the air
black
freshener?
Ice. Black ice. I always call out Rich Rebuilds on YouTube, man, because he loves his black ice. And as soon as I saw the car, I said, Rich Rebuilds, black ice in that car. Sure enough, there it was.
And there it is right there. Love it. This is a Texas car.
Yep.
Okay, that's all right.
Yeah, we forgive you.
Let me put this back on and just kind of quickly show everybody what it's like inside. Randy had one of these for a short period of time. He loved every minute of it. He had others replace fuel pumps and stuff for him
Yeah.
because
Well,
he was dying of COVID-19 at
and
the
we're all
time.
hanging out in the garage with COVID together like, hey, buddy, how's it going?
Yes.
And I had the forethought to wear a mask.
See?
Never in my life have I worn a mask before. COVID didn't exist yet that we knew of. And yet I wore a mask.
He's got something going on right there. See?
I was
There's a
COVID
brain
before
in that.
COVID was cool.
That's nice. Yeah. And this bumper was gray before it was black.
Yeah, that
But that's
quarter's
okay.
Been in a little bit of a...
Yeah, we got a little scuff right there. All right, but this is what he does. He kind of comes around and shows you all these really cool cars at Copart. So I'm going to tell them to go follow you. I'm going to tell all of my 12,877 followers to go follow you and your 200
Jeez.
and how many? 200 and
239.
200.
I need a lot more, guys. I can't even pay the bills I got right now.
Mike's subscribers, Randy's
Please.
subscribers way
Please
up.
come follow me. Join my channel.
Because this is the best part. You know this is some quality work when you got some
Are
drywall
those wood
screws. Yeah, yeah. Just holding it together. That's the best. This is definitely something I'm interested in. No. Not at all. Not at all.
This would fit, man.
This would, yeah, because it would be like my other cars that don't work. It's
It
just
probably
taking up
needs a
space.
transmission.
Well, I've done that before.
I know you have. A couple times.
I got to do it again. I got a bad. Look at that right there. Okay. Yeah. Well. Okay.
Someone left the key on to kill the battery for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Nice.
So, yeah, I got to put a torque converter. I had to think of that word. That's why I paused. When you get old, words don't come to you, so you just got to stop talking and let your brain catch up with your mouth.
Well, we gotta
So I
be
have
about
a
the same
torque
age.
converter. Thank you. That's why we're good friends. I'm a 1960s model. What are you?
Holy crap!
Yeah, he's an 80s person, I think, or 90s.
Well, you can't tell you're that old, man.
Well, thank
You
you.
were twerking upside down in a video
See?
recently, man. I was like,
That's me.
I seen you do a cartwheel on Instagram. I'm
Yep.
like, I never could do a cartwheel. So you got 20 years on me, and you got me.
And okay, we'll take it. You just don't grow old. Just don't do it. All right, let's kind of show. Randy was going to do his video, and we're going to kind of follow along and have some fun with this. But this is what he enjoys doing, out here in the hot sun, when it's 92 degrees.
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah.
a beautiful, beautiful day here in Oklahoma.
Okay, we'll watch him start his intro. This is really cool. He has this every time he starts a video.
Wait, I didn't even do my intro.
That's what I'm
losing
filming
it.
right here.
I'm losing it. I was about to record the car.
He doesn't do that all the time. Or I wouldn't be here. Okay, do your
What's
thing.
going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds, where we're not going to be rebuilding anything because we're only looking at cars that need to be rebuilt.
there it
Hey,
is.
if you
All
can
right,
get
we'll let
paid-
him work. Yeah, we're trying and trying. He brought me out to show me this MGB. Look at that. Isn't that special? But it's not. It doesn't want to start. It just really doesn't want to start. That looks a lot like my little midget engine. Except my carb's on this side. Look how teeny tiny. Looks like a miniature tractor engine.
It'll crank over. I don't think it's going to start.
Okay, Randy thinks it's going to crank. He doesn't think it's going to start. I don't know. I'm not taking any chances with this.
We've got lights.
Here we go. Moment of truth.
Nothing.
Really?
I got lights and everything, but
This says 111, 11.1. 11.0. Woo! Look at the dust! Holy moly.
transmission is not moving. I don't think it's in the right gear.
Oh.
Somebody's done something with it.
Yeah.
You can see this is lifted
They may
up.
have done that to get it into neutral.
Yeah,
There's a
and
little
now
switch.
it,
Well, we gave it our best shot. As Randy said, no bueno on the C240. That's kind of disappointing. I really do like these cars. They're fun. Very fun. They're just kind of small in the back. You don't get a whole lot of room. Not much leg room. Good for little people, though. Little kids, little students. See how pretty? Look at this. Randy chose this one especially for us. How about that? Does it look familiar? Yeah, the Mighty ML.
sad that it ended up here, Mike. I'm
It's
sorry
sad.
for your loss.
I'm sorry, but you know what? Really, the cost of the bumpers, you bump somebody here or in the back and they'll write it off because these things are expensive and they get really brittle with so much age when they're old. You tap it and it just crinkles.
I'm aware.
You had one of these.
Had that happen at
Yes.
a certain, I'm not going to mention names, at a certain
Right.
salvage facility.
Uh-huh.
Picked my ML up and was flying it out to me on a forklift, and my whole bumper disintegrated before my
Boom.
eyes.
Yeah,
And then I was told, as is.
as is.
Yeah, that includes loaders. Doesn't matter if it falls off and flips upside down off the loader, it's yours.
That's really
Regardless.
crappy. That's not a good policy.
From what I understand, that is all salvage auctions policies.
Wow.
Yeah, there's no recourse.
But the good part about that story is, what friend found you a bumper?
Oh, I came home and you had come from Tulsa and dropped a bumper off at my door.
Ta-da!
Yeah.
That's the kind of stuff I do.
I appreciated that too.
He's a good guy. He's helped me so much, and there was one in the junkyard, and so I just had to get it for him. I
That
saw
was
it, and I
an
had to
easy
have
bumper
it.
to put on.
Oh,
Like it was super easy to install.
yeah. Okay, so let's.
Quarter of a million miles.
Okay, there you go. I had one, 287, and it still drove like new. And I sold it to a guy who knew him, and he said he's had them with even more than that. So these things are tanks. Now the low, you know, when you go four-wheel drive and you had that little low switch, that goes bad on everybody. But who goes four-wheeling in these anymore?
Me.
Okay, well, Randy does.
Okay, so this is what totaled it. It lost its back bumper and the front bumper.
Yeah.
So that's a wrap.
See? Yep. Yep. This is in better shape than mine, even the way it is right now. Because mine was T-boned. Look at, well, okay, the inside's dirty.
Interesting. There's a window motor back here, a smashed tail light,
Okay.
owner's manual, a speaker, somebody's driver's license and birth certificate.
Okay, there you go. We won't show that.
Yeah.
Holy moly. And a jacket.
And a jacket. That looks like Mercedes Source's jacket.
It
That could be
does.
yours.
It looks like Kent's. It's his
Yeah.
colors.
Surprised I know who Kent is. Surprised I know about Mercedes Source. Of course I know about Mercedes Source.
Because you know your stuff.
He's my, well, no, that's why I watch him. Now we know where he got his jacket from. It's from Coleman.
Yes. I was thinking about doing kind of a takeoff on one of his videos and getting a jacket to do
Oh,
that.
you should.
I don't know if I want to piss him off or not because he's so
Oh,
good and
not
he's so
gonna-
nice.
You're not going to piss him off. He's been around the block.
He doesn't know. He doesn't even know who I am, even though I buy his
He's a
tools all the
friendly-
time.
He seems like I don't know him, but he
Yeah.
seems like a friendly. Who knows? Off camera, he might sue you or something. I don't know.
That could happen. All right. So this is the ML 350, which I love. You guys know I love these cars. Let's see what Randy's going to do. He always tries to get inside these things, and he likes to start them, and then he likes to roll down. What do you call it? The important window.
Important window.
The
The only window that matters, the drive-through
yeah,
window, man.
this one's made of plastic. Okay. No, these are good little cars.
It's not bad. Not in horrible shape.
No, you get these on eBay for like 80 bucks. You want
It's all right.
new cushions. Actually, the body is better than mine. All right. Well, we know Mikey likes these. Ta-da! Look at this. Hubba hubba. Here's my style right here. Yeah. I don't know what year this is, but look. The 123, 1987. And she's all dried out. Oh. Yeah. I hate to see these cars like this. That's kind of sad. Man, that's a hot car. You just the heat.
Yeah.
Just.
And the mold and stuff in the floor over there.
Yeah, that's nice.
But she does run.
Unbelievable. How many? 285,000 miles.
Yeah.
And she's got a fancy audio. Ooh. Oh, old school. K40.
Yeah, the old radar detector. Yeah.
Ooh. Look at that. Yeah, that's
Definitely
nice.
got a fuel system issue. You can get it up to about 2,000 RPM, but that's about it.
And that's it.
The back end is sagging.
Yeah.
I think these were known for that.
Well, yeah, they have, unless they get converted,
Airbags in the back.
hydraulic.
Oh crap! Even worse.
Yeah, so mine, yeah. I've already bought the shocks and springs in
Oh, don't you
anticipation of
rebuilds?
that.
Oh, you are not. Didn't I tell you to stop recording? I'm in the middle of a video, man.
I got to end my own. That's how he ends it right there. Yeah. I'll go over here. I need some privacy.
No.
I'm
Let
taking
me
my
follow
I'm
you
taking
for
my
a while.
people over here. I'm taking my people over here.
Very
All right.
isn't it?
Okay, that's going to wrap it up. We're just having some fun. I'm glad Randy let me hang out
Wait,
for a
what?
little.
This is how Mike ends his videos.
Yeah, right here.
This is how Mike does it right here. Hey, Mike.
Randy says bye. I say bye. Thank you for watching. This is a whole different ball of wax here for me doing these little Copart videos. Melted ball of wax. Oh, what am I? See, I'm covering up the camera lens.
You see what happens when you get hot?
It is. It's
It
amazing.
makes it hard to think.
You don't think right.
It becomes
Okay.
very difficult.
Yeah. Okay, so tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Okay, that's it. That's all I'm going to say. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Woo!
We're
Yeah!
done!